Welcome everyone, welcome back. So this is part 2 of the course, the AutoCAD for beginners. Okay, so before we start this beautiful course, okay, I have some secrets, or let's say tricks to teach everyone. Okay, I put the question, I would like you to give me the answer, and then we move forward from there. Then I teach you how to do it. Okay, so if you're all ready, buckle up and be ready for takeoff. Takeoff where? To alien planet. Okay, so can we start now? So what's the question? Okay, it's going to be a beautiful question. Okay, I have, let's say, a fancy shape. I'm just drawing a fancy shape, some just random shape, something like this. Okay, I would like to draw a polyline, not polyline. It's an arc. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, now my question is, okay, what is the area of this object? Okay, you have different methods to do it. I want to teach you something alien. Okay, actually I was not planning to, 1 minute, convert to line. Yeah, this is what my question was. Okay, what I want you to do is give me two methods to let me, let's say, John, the area of this method. Or okay, instead of doing this is a polyline, so you have two methods actually. One method, two methods you have. Okay, the same I will be drawing something in line, so it will make life much better. Let's say I am drawing. One second. Be in layer 0. I should generally make a layer called draw. Anyway, okay, or layer called line. I am drawing some random object. Okay, my question is, I have, now it's going to be difficult for you. Let's say C, close. Okay, I want to know the area of this object in less than 10 seconds. How would I do it? I want you to think and give me the answer. Okay, so what's the question? I have this couple of lines. I want to know the area of this object. One method would be first select the line. Okay, this can be possible if it's a polyline. This is a line, isn't it? So if I select the object, right click and click properties, if you can see in properties, you will see the area. This is the area of it. Good. What is the other method? Okay, so area you need two dimensions, length and width, isn't it? How can I do it for a line? Not possible, isn't it? Yeah, where is properties? He doesn't give you area here. So how do I do it? I want you to think and give me the answer in the comment section. In the next video, or I'll say I can give you in this video itself the answer. Two more methods are there. One method is right click, but right click for a polyline, what you do? We have three. Now we have three methods now. Think and give me the answer. Think for some time and give me the answer. Okay. I'll give you one of the methods now. Easier method. Draw a rectangle. Okay, John, you're crazy. I'm not crazy. I will prove it. Okay, just draw a rectangle and type your command boolean. Select the object. Okay. Okay. There's another story. I will have to 1 minute. I'm sorry. We have it's a boolean command. John, you're losing memory. Yeah, it is boolean. Boolean. 1 minute now. I'm sorry, it is not a boolean, it is boundary. Okay, so what I will do is I will undo what I did, so you don't have any confusion. This is, what is this? This is a polyline. Okay, I said boundary. You have different click, yeah, eyeline detection. Select the object polyline. You want to finish it to retention, and click OK. click between this and this anywhere. Okay, for you to, okay, you can see this is in gray color, right? And click this. You see what did AutoCAD do? Sorry, I cancel it. Okay, click here and say yeah, good, and say okay, good. Now what you can see is, if I move this out, you see that this is object is there, another object is there. So I can calculate the area in a second. Area is here. Another method would be that same logic you would be using here. Okay, you have one more method. I want you to tell me what you would do. Just draw a rectangle anywhere. So just random size, doesn't matter. We said boundary. Click OK. Wait for him to generate. It's taking time. Okay, he got the boundary. I said yes. Beautiful. This became a polyline. How do I know that? It's one object. Area is this much. Okay, so if I move this out, 1 minute, you would see the lines are still there, and my polyline is here, and my area is this. Okay, there's another way to double check it. Okay, this is kind of human method. Click area, then click these dots. You should be able to get the same answer which we got using mathematical method. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this class. This is the number 404. 404. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this trick class. You're going to learn lots of tricks. Enjoy, sit back and relax. Yalla. See you. Keep moving forward. Let's see each other in the next class. Yalla. Bye.